Hi guys, and welcome to another Thoughtscapes. How are you? Today I have something very different for you guys because this video is unlike all the other videos that I've done before. It's not about motivation, it's not about relationships, it's not even about DNA. It is actually an unboxing and a review on some equipment I decided to purchase. I guess to congratulate and treat myself, and also to motivate myself to keep making content that you guys enjoy. I decided to level up. I decided I needed an upgrade on my lighting situation because if you hadn't noticed, I live in a country where in the throngs of winter, it gets dark at 4 p.m. and that is just so annoying because I am a night owl. I get my inspiration and my motivation towards the end of the day, and by the time I'm pumped to shoot a video, there's no more sunlight for me to play with. And I just want to be able to shoot videos whenever I want and need to, and if they have to be towards the end of the day, then so be it. The only way that I can get around that is to invest in some good light sources. I decided to go with the Neewer 18 inches dimmable ring light. Wow, that was a mouthful. The reason why I decided to go with that one in particular as opposed to the actual Diva light, which I was looking at too, is because this newer one looked pretty comparable from the reviews that I watched. The lighting was quite good. I think the only con to it is that the dimmer isn't as sensitive as the Diva light. And the great thing about it is it's cheaper. I did not want to spend almost 2 times more on the Diva light. So I'm going to unbox it in front of you guys. I'm going to set it up and then I'm going to do a test and you can see the results. By the way, I bought this ring light on Amazon. It came as a bundle. It cost me £119.99, I believe. The ring light with the stand. It also has a Bluetooth remote and it has a hot shoe where you can connect your devices onto the ring light. It comes with some filters as well. That took me about less than 10 minutes to do. There are 3 main steps. It's pretty straightforward. It's all about unscrewing things and rescrewing things. I spent half of the time putting it together without the instructions until I found the instructions in a separate box. And one thing that I have noticed straight off the bat is that the ring light on the top of the stand does still feel slightly flimsy. So look, I'll show you. I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure on this stand. You can see it kind of swaying. Now, it's not going to be a problem if there are no gusts of wind, if there's nothing moving around the stand, but if you have things that might move or you're filming in a very windy location, I don't really trust that this stand would hold up. The ring light itself looks pretty cool. I haven't tested it out yet, but it was really easy to put the filters on there. I really like that the hot shoe is in like a ball and socket. So you can move your camera or whatever device that you have on there 360. You can also tilt it up and down to a certain extent. We should just do the test. Okay, here we go. Right. Whoa. Okay, so this is probably the lowest setting right now, and I don't know how my camera's adjusting to it. I'll crank it up a little bit more. That I would say is probably the medium setting. So I don't know how this looks. I really need to go back and see what this looks like on the video. And let me whack it up to full blast. No, that's not even. Look, there's one in between that. It's very stunning, like it stuns you. It's so bright. I feel like I need some shades. And whoa, 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 whoa. Damn, I think this is the full thing. And that is bright. Like I am getting blinded. Wow, that is super bright. Oh my days. I think what I had said about the dimmer not being sensitive, I don't personally feel like that. To go from this, which is the lowest setting, I'll show you right now. That is the lowest setting, and I don't know if it's making any difference whatsoever. But to crank it up, and I'll gradually crank it up to full blast. I mean, for me, that is sensitive. It takes a while for your eyes to get used to the highest setting. I'm gonna look at the camera right now, and then I'll come back around, I guess, tell you what I think of the results. So, what do I think of it? I think that it is bright. It is super bright, and at the highest setting, it's probably too high when I was looking at it. I think even on a very low setting, it was looking good to me. I thought that was a good balance of the colors and the brightness. So let me not turn it off completely, but I actually have turned off all the lights in my room. The lights are quite warm in this room, and they were conflicting with the color of the lights from the ring light. I like it. It makes my skin look quite flawless. It really brightens your face. It's good. One thing I have noticed is that you can still see shadows behind me, which I thought this will eliminate all shadows because it's so powerful. It compensates because my skin looks really good, and I can see why a ring light is a firm favorite with beauty vloggers out there, because it makes you look immaculate. It is definitely an upgrade to my current lighting situation, so I'm very happy with my purchase. It's easy to use. The light is adjustable, and yeah, that's probably what I wanted it to do. For me, the Neewer 18-inch dimmable ring light is a win. Out of 10, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. The reason I haven't given it a 9 or a 10 is because I think the stand is still quite flimsy. Additionally, the shadows are still remaining. Maybe it's something that I'm doing wrong. So guys, if there are any tips that you can give me to help me with the shadow situation, let me know. I hope that this review was very useful for you guys. If you liked it, again, smash the like button down below. Comment any other comments that you think might be useful, any questions that you have, any tips for me to help out my lighting situation and make it even better. Also, subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, and also you are into motivational content too. And I will see you in my next video. Mechanism? I don't know.